Hello everyone. While editing the footage, I decided to export it without any additional audio clips. But I changed my mind and thought to voiceover. I believe I have a privilege to use very good quality audio using the microphones that I have at my home. And these microphones are very good. One is a Blue Voice microphone, another I have a HyperX. So I have two or three microphones, but this privilege is not available while I'm shooting outdoors or while I'm shooting using a GoPro. And you must be knowing, all these action cameras are very infamously known for their pathetic or substandard audio quality. Anyways, just ignore the emoji on my IRV. It's actually my mama sleeping on the rear seat. For some reason, I feel like the vehicle is like moving at a very high speed, though the speed is not that much, at 70, 60, but it seems to be like very fast. Though I'm the person who is driving this vehicle now, as you can see in the footage. So I know it doesn't feel like that fast. But sometimes when I'm not behind the wheel, when I see all those footage, I feel like, whoa, what are you doing? You're driving too fast. It's very much like a risk. What kind of risk management, risk mitigation, capacity building, all kind of shit you are talking. You're driving so fast. But believe me, what you see in the footage is not the actual thing. Everything is just a perspective, right? Everything is subjective, open to debate, subjective interpretations. Anyways, so you see 100, 110. This highway has a speed limit of 80 to 90 kilometers per hour, I believe. You see, I decided to honk, but then I realized I should not honk because the person is driving correctly on his lane. So you don't need to honk and ask him to just get aside because I just want to move. He's on his lane. Just first you gain your lane, then only you can try to do this kind of things. These are some basic ethics that you need to follow on the road, which I believe people are not following. Anyways, so the audio I was talking about is I need to check. Probably it will cost me around 25,000 or something, and at this early stage I'm not willing to spend such hefty amounts. I'm working more on the basics, on the foundation, so that I would be able to utilize my existing resources properly before upgrading it. So that's the reason I'm trying this microphone and trying to do the voiceover. And do let me know how does it work. And in the meanwhile, thank you for 117 subscribers. You guys are great. You guys are acting as a fuel in my YouTube journey. You see indicators. Always give your indicators before you change the lane. Again, indicators. Then you change the lane. You see? I walk the talk. Man of integrity, yeah? Self-admiring. Again, indicators. Nice. Noise. Oh, it feels so fast. Really. A little bit corner. A small corner. I believe self-admiring is good sometimes. Again, indicators. So yeah, that's it. If you like the content, then do let me know in the comments below. Thank you. Thanks for watching.